find out alpha, beta, and also base current. Okay, first we have to find out alpha and the alpha, and they have given the beta. Beta is provided. To find out the alpha, this is the equation we have to use. Alpha is equal to beta divided by beta plus 1, and we know that beta is equal to 200. So 200 divided by 201, that is equivalent to 0.995. okay, this is alpha. Now the beta is, to find out beta, we had to use this equation. Beta is equal to alpha over 1 minus alpha, and we know that alpha is equal to 0.99, and 1 minus 0.99, that's going to be 0.99 divided by 0.01, that's equivalent to 99. So we have found out alpha, and also we have found out beta. The next thing is we have to find out IB. To find out IB, we can use this equation. IB is equal to IC over beta, and we know that IC is 30 milliampere divided by beta, that is 100, so that's equal to 300 microampere. Now we have three solutions. Alpha is equal to 0.995, beta is equal to 99, and then IB is equal to 300 microampere. And that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to learn electronics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.